Chow.
On today's episode of But Did You Actually Burn Down Your Car?, we'll be talking about the potential for an electrical fire. So I realize I haven't made a YouTube video in a while, and I'm just gonna show you why. Well, I found these two just hanging out, corroding themselves to that, and I was following it along, and those all look cooked. Not great. This is Buttercup, aka my work truck, and I discovered I had no brake lights because my fuse kept blowing. And actually what was happening is this high mount brake light, somebody had just left the wires dangling, and you can see right here where they've been shorting themselves to the springs for the trunk latch, and that short went all the way through the wiring harness. Here's actually some of the wiring harness that I've cut out. You can see how badly it melted. Now it's affected more than the brake light wiring, but even all the way down here, you can see how sort of like deformed and crispy it got. And now I'm looking at the brake switch itself. And if you look at the brake switch here, you can see how crispy and melted those wires are. If we go under the dash, these four, because I do have cruise control, are a hot mess. I'm gonna see if I can get the camera up in there so you can actually see. Where are they? Right. Oh no. Oh yeah. You can see how delicious and fried those are. Yeah. Now this wiring harness goes from the brake switch. I also don't have a horn because they run on the same fuse, all the way to the underhood fuse box. And that's going to be this connector right here, which, let's see here. This is our green white wire, which provides power. And that's basically where I'm running a new wire through, because that one is very, very crispy. I ended up actually replacing the entire harness across the back dash, but this is what I was dealing with just for your viewing pleasure. And 10 out of 10 recommend that if you are blowing a fuse, you find out why, because this has actually been a problem for a really long time with this car, and I could have potentially prevented it from spreading if I had caught it a little sooner. So that's it. That's why I haven't been as active on YouTube. I'm over here just dealing with wiring gremlins, so wish me luck. Girlie Garage offers automotive education and consulting. Feel free to pop on over to my website if you have any questions. The link is in the description.